Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to auto-generate captions or subtitles in CapCut on PC. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now to get started with the guide, here I've got CapCut for PC open on my computer, and I've got a short 10-second clip of one of my tutorial videos here on the timeline. And to generate auto captions or subtitles for this track, you can go up to the text tab, then click on auto captions. And then here you can select the language that's being spoken. In my case, it is English, and then I'll click on create. And CapCut will then auto-generate captions or subtitles for this video or audio track that I have here. And if I play back this clip, I can see that I now have subtitles on this video track. Now, if you want to change the look of these subtitles, you can select them. And the first thing you need to check is that this apply to all setting is checked or enabled. If this is not enabled, it'll only apply to this current text box that you have selected. But if apply to all is enabled, any changes you make to this text box will also be applied to all of the other text boxes. So you can change the font to another font. You can adjust the size, the style, the case. You can use one of these preset styles. I normally go with this yellow one. And there are a bunch of other settings you can also change. You can change where this is located on the screen by clicking and dragging on it. You can also make it a bit bigger if you want to. And if I go ahead and play out this clip, you can see that all of the text boxes now have the same style of subtitle. Now, another thing you can do here is if you select this text box and you click on the Captions tab up here, you can actually click into this and you can make some changes to these subtitles. And if you wanted to make your subtitles or captions word for word, the best way to do that is to click into this box and then press enter, and again select where you want the next word to start, and then just keep on pressing enter word for word or every second word. That's according to your preference. But you'll see if I now play the start of this video, the captions are word for word. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll see you next time.